Parents, the next time someone tells you you shouldn't be teaching your kid how to read, I want you to ask them these 3 questions. Number 1, do you have a choice in where you send your kid to school? Because it is the epitome of privilege to say it doesn't matter when kids learn how to read, when you yourself can send your kid anywhere you want. You know your kid is going to be fine. Most families can't. Number 2, do you have the resources, the money, the teaching experience, the access to help them catch up if they fall behind? Because again, most families, if our kids fall behind, they stay behind. But folks saying, oh, it doesn't matter, all kids learn to read eventually, the vast majority can pay for tutors or can teach the kid at home if they struggle. And number 3, why do you care? Why do you care? Ask them. Why is it so important? If you want to teach your kid how to read, do it. If you don't want to teach your kid how to read, don't do it. It is your choice. But when someone gives you unsolicited parenting advice about how you choose to teach them, why do you care?